Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Katie. So today's video is basically just going to be a vlog of the past few days. I haven't really done much and I haven't got a proper Christmas video ready yet. So you're just going to get vlogs for the next few days until I film my latest video. But yeah, I really hope you enjoy coming along with me in these next few days. And yeah, let's get straight into it. Also, I really want to mention, and I hate acknowledging things like this because it's just stuff that really grinds on me and gets to me. But I am not affecting anyone doing these videos. I'm doing it for my own sanity and for my own mental health. I am doing these videos because if I haven't got a hobby, then I'm going to go literally insane. But there are people who are trying to mock me, and there are people who are trying to like make fun of me or just have their opinion on it. I don't need your opinion. Unless you want to support me, I'm really not interested in your opinion, and just leave me alone or don't comment on my things. And whether that's any of my social media, including TikTok, because I know you, I'm not stupid. But yeah, I hate acknowledging things like this because I should acknowledge people supporting me, but it just really grinds my gears. Like this morning I just got really frustrated because I was like, I am doing what I enjoy doing. Just because you haven't got the courage to do it, or you're just jealous of what I'm doing, I really don't care what you think about me. I'm sorry, I'm getting riled up because I get so frustrated. I have been bullied my whole life. I have been made fun of my whole life. I don't need people making fun of something that I really enjoy creating. So that's all I'm going to say about it. That's all I'm going to say about it before I get really riled up and upset. But yeah, so those who do watch my videos and actually support me, thank you so much. And those who support my other content on Instagram, on Twitter, on TikTok, thank you. But those who just want to try and tear a girl down, I don't need you. I don't need your negativity. I've had enough negativity this year in 2020. I don't need yours. So please just exit my life. I don't know you most of the time, and you don't know me. You don't know the first thing about me. You might be watching some videos of me, but you don't know the first thing about me. But now that's out the way, I am sorry about that little rant. Let's get straight into my vlog. Thank you. Oh God, look at the state of this. And I need to try and figure out what I'm going to pack to take home. And obviously I don't want to take home too much because especially if I'm getting my Boohoo vouchers, I'm obviously going to be shopping on there. But I definitely need to decide. But I've got some kind of system. Like I've literally just put shoes in at the moment. I always write down what I want, or like kind of ideas, and I always write down my toiletries and whatnot, and like makeup and different bits that I just know I'll end up forgetting, because every time I go home I always forget something. So I basically just write everything down in advance so I know not to forget anything, and the things I do forget, it probably isn't that major. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start packing since I've only got like 3 days to do it. Voila, I am all packed apart from the everyday essentials that I just can't pack until Monday morning. I am essentially all packed. I'm actually going away for 4 weeks. That's why it looks a bit excessive, but I also don't want to pack too much because I have finally got my Boohoo vouchers through, so I've got to get shopping and I really need some inspiration. So I'll probably be spending my evening looking at Boohoo hauls from the past week just to give me a little bit of inspiration of what other people have bought. So here I am looking like the beauty I am. I've just had a bath because I have finally finished packing, which is, thank God. I was really putting it off, but I was like, if I don't do it now, I will not do it at all. So I am now all packed and I am going to now dry my hair, watch I'm a Celebrity final. I really don't know who I want to win this year. The final three, it could go either way because I think Vernon, G and Jordan have proved themselves. So I'm really excited to watch that. I've just uploaded my outfit video, so my recent Vlogmas video is up. And yeah, so I'm gonna watch I'm a Celeb, probably just have a cuppa, and then I'm going to start looking on Boohoo because I am ready to shop till I drop. It's just so difficult, but I am loving this. I love the brown, like chocolate brown colour, and I might get it in a tracksuit. I've already seen it on a few people and I just think it looks really cute, like here as well. Like, maybe that's an idea. Honestly, what I love about Vlogmas is that there's so many videos every day for me to watch, and it takes me forever to try and get through them. I just really love watching them and leaving a comment if I liked it. It's just my favourite time of evening. So I have just made some purchases for me and my sister on Boohoo. I didn't actually realise that. I don't know why I would have thought any different, but I don't actually have to spend the full amount in one go. I don't know why I thought I had to, but that makes it so much easier because I'm basically going to get bits at a time rather than do a massive shop, because I feel like then I'll just buy things that I don't really want, where at the moment I have got things that I've wanted for ages, so I'm very happy with that. Also, Giovanna won I'm a Celeb and I'm so happy. Like, she was such a lovely person. I think Jordan would have deserved it in terms of he has really grown on the show. I literally talk about them like I know them. But no, like, he puked before the first even trial. So I think he's done really well, but I'm so happy that Giovanna's won. But now I've got nothing to watch again on an evening. This is really depressing. So if anyone's got any suggestions for me to watch something, please let me know. Good afternoon. It is actually the next day and I've just got ready because I am meeting my friend for lunch. It's my first outing properly since lockdown, so this is going to be fun. I'm going for a substantial meal. It's not like I'm going for a drink, so I'm following the rules. But yeah, so it should be a good day. It'll be interesting to see how they have adapted it, so people have to eat instead of just drinking themselves silly. But yeah, so it should be a good afternoon, a good catch up before I go home. So today I'm wearing just this grey jumper. I got it from I Saw It First. And I've got my leather leggings on from Boohoo, as always. I just love these. So I just live and die in them at this time of year. Plus it is raining outside, which is really annoying because I wanted to go for a walk and stuff today. But we're going to settle for a pub, so it's all good, isn't it? It's so quiet. So I picked the chicken, bacon, stuffing and cranberry panini from the Christmas menu, and I got a cheeky pint of cider. Why not? So I've just got back from my lunch date with my friend. I had a really nice catch-up actually, and the Christmas menu in Spoons, oh my god, it was so good. I can't lie, but I've missed Spoons so much. I've had a few drinks, that's why I seem a bit like out of it. Like, I've literally had 2 ciders and I haven't drank in like 3 months, so I'm a bit like, ooh. Which sounds really pathetic and like a lightweight, but that's the reality of who I am. But yeah, so I had a really great time, and then afterwards we went for a little drive around Minehead and around the surrounding areas and just blasted our favourite old school tunes, so that was really cool. It was really nice to see her. I won't see her now until after Christmas, so which is quite sad. Yeah, so the rest of the day I'm just going to chill. I'm absolutely freezing. It is freezing outside. It's not raining anymore, but it is absolutely Baltic. So, but around here, yeah, it hasn't snowed. I know in parts of England it has snowed already, but it doesn't snow around here unless it's really bad. So that's why I've got my dressing gown on and my hot water bottle at the ready, because I'm just freezing. I might need a nap. Does anyone else, like when they go out for dinner, when they get home, they're just so tired and fat and full that they just need a nap or something? Because that is me right now. So I might have to fit in a cheeky nap. But anyway, that's about it. I hope you enjoyed the past few days. It's just a little vlog because nothing exciting really happened. I'll be back tomorrow with another vlog, and then I'll be home on Monday, so which is exciting. So it'll be more content for you. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned for another Vlogmas video.